it's time to go to bed, okay? Oh, read us a bedtime story first. I guess I could whip up a quick one. There was a little kitty, and he saved the day, and lived happily ever after. Danger, where are you going? Well, it's time for me to venture my own path, because I'm gonna leave home, and I'm gonna see the world, and I'm gonna be super awesome. And yeah, that involves me leaving, so that means goodbye. I can't wait to go to the next place in my grand adventure of cat life. But first, I think I need to find something to eat. Ooh, it's a little rat. Maybe I can sneak up on it. Hey, come back here, little rat. Oh man. Hey, I think there's a beach over there. Maybe I can go and get a fish without getting in the water whatsoever at all. Dog! What's all the hassle over there? Oh, I'll take care of this for you, you cute little kitty. Oh, yeah! Let's go back to my place. Ooh, I want the butterfly. I really want the butterfly. Come here. Okay, thanks everybody for welcoming me into this cat house of other cats. So, Mask, what does a cat to do to become part of the gang? Oh, well, you can't just expect to come in and eat all our rats. So what do I have to do? You have to go outside into the real front yard, and you have to actually find a real rat and bring it back. Okay, doesn't sound too hard. Good luck! Thanks! Okay, now there's a little rat. Sneak up on it, and rah! Gotcha! Okay, I got the little rat, see? Great, now you gotta eat it! Okay? Delicious! Great, now we all meow in unison!